You have unlocked developer options, but are you using them? Most people only know the speed hack, but there are 5 other secret switches in this menu that unlock your phone's true potential. First, for the gamers, if you have a high-end phone but games still look jagged, find Force 4X MSAA. It forces your phone to render games at 4 times quality. It uses more battery, but the graphics look console level. Do you hate that lag when you leave your house and Wi-Fi disconnects? Turn on mobile data always active. It keeps your 5G ready in the background, so the switch is instant, zero lag. This is for the pros who want more screen real estate. Find smallest width. This is your DPI. Increase the number by 50 to 100 points, and suddenly your phone looks like a high-res tablet. You fit way more on the screen. If you ever screen record or show people how to do things like I'm doing right now, turn on show taps. It adds a visual feedback. Circle wherever you touch, essential for creators. And finally, the battery saver. Go to background process limit. Set it to at most 2 processes. This stops rogue apps from using your RAM in the background. Your phone feels lighter and lasts longer. These settings are so powerful, but they drain the battery. If you want to know how to control this, comment down below, and I'll make another guide on how to control battery drainage. Don't forget to subscribe.